Tampok po sa ating mga balita, muling nagpahayag ng tiwala ang Malacanang na mapapagtibay ang panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, ang pagsusulong ng kapayapaan ay para sa kagalingan ng lahat at sa ibayong pagsulong at paggunlad ng ating bansa. Umaasa rin ang Malacanang na susuportahan ito ng mga mamamayan at ng Kongreso.
Confident that as more stakeholders are involved and as more people are informed about the peace process in general and the Bangsamoro Basic Law specifically, we will be able to continue to muster the general sentiment, and we believe that the sentiment of the people is towards peace. It's just that we need to look at the peace process from the prism of all the stakeholders involved, and not necessarily in just one incident, the Mama Sapano. It is really so. We continue to believe that there is the general population believes in the peace process, and they strongly adhere to the importance of peace and to the principle that peace would be a solution. What we need to see now is the specific BBL that is being discussed before Congress, na pag-usapan niya ng mga stakeholders, at kung sakaling may magkakaroon sila ng ibang mga amendments or discussions, pwedeng idulog yun sa Kongreso.